ISP Power Moves, brought to you by the International Scholars Program.
The visa experience was like it wasn't really not really bad per se, but I was a little bit scared. My visa interview was scheduled for around 7 a.m. in the morning, so I was there like an hour before. We were taken through the security, the first, second, and the third one. Then we were ushered in the lobby. In the lobby, we were asked for our service receipt, which I had. ISP had already settled the service fee. Then after that, I was the third one in line for the interview. The visa officer came. The first and the second guy were interviewed. Then I was the third one. He basically asked me uh, why am I heading to University of South Dakota, which I explained. Then the next question was how will I be funding my education? I explained to him that I have and the loan repayment will be coming from our family business, whereby we'll be repaying the loan each and every month. And he told me that he's going to approve my visa, but the sooner I submit my social media handles, the faster I'll get my visa approved. Yeah. Okay, I got my support. I got a lot of support from my spouse. She really helped me through the whole process, especially during the visa preparation. We used to do a lot of mock together. She asked me some questions and I'll answer them. The other thing, she really helped when I was trying to settle on school. So we had to go through the curriculum for both schools that I got the invitation to, and we actually settled for University of South Dakota. Yes, there's a big community of ISP students in University of South Dakota. Actually, they're the ones who organize for my accommodation. One of them is actually waiting for me in Sioux Falls. He will be picking me up. Then I'll be staying in his accommodation for a few days before now I move into my residence. Yeah. It's a bittersweet moment leaving my family behind. At the same time, I'm happy that a door has opened for me and my family and the community around me to achieve much greater things ahead. I'll be taking Lufthansa at 11:55 p.m. heading to Frankfurt. I will be there by 6:30 a.m. Then I'll be having a layover of around 1 hour 30 minutes. From there, I'll be heading to Chicago O'Hare, where it will be my point of entry in the United States. Then there I'll be having a layover of around 2 hours. From there, there's another flight for 2:45 minutes to Sioux Falls. To my family, I'd like to tell them that uh, I'm heading there. I'll be working hard to see how this opportunity will open doors for the rest of them. And for the prospective students, I'd like to tell them that this thing is real. They should prepare. They should uh, they should not shove down their vision. They should be patient with the process. Sometimes it's a bit slow. For others, it's a bit faster. Like for mine, it was really fast. I enrolled in August. By October 15th, I had my visa. So for other people, it's a bit longer. They should always be patient, and I wish them success also. Yeah.
Thank you for watching ISP Power Moves. The International Scholars Program is here to turn your study abroad dreams into reality, no matter the challenges. Explore our programs at www.internationalscholarsprogram.com and join us next time for more strategies, expert tools, and inspiring stories to fuel your journey abroad as a thriving international student. The International Scholars Program, empowering dreams.